Hello everyone, this is AI Thinker. In my hand is the remote control for controlling the air conditioner. It is a new product of AI Thinker's open source hardware AiPi. AiPi Remote Infrared Remote Control. AiPi Remote is equipped with a speaker, a microphone and a power supply. Also equipped with a 2.4-inch touch LCD display. AiPi Remote has a 2.4-inch LCD display module, battery power detection module, offline voice module, infrared transmitter module, 8-button combination modules, lithium battery charging module, DC-DC voltage conversion module. AiPi Remote. Use AI Thinker AI M61-32S module as the control core. Drive 2.4-inch LCD screen through M61 chip. Each button has an independent I/O input port. Offline voice data communication with M61 through serial port. Battery power is detected by voltage sampling through ADC. The power LED light will light up after powering on. The loudspeaker will announce. Remote control screen displays the remote control function interface. The remote control function can be controlled by buttons and touch screen. 3 ways to achieve voice. Buttons. This firmware controls the S8 button to switch the air conditioner on and off. S9 button switch mode. S10 button to adjust wind speed. S7 button raises temperature. S6 button lowers temperature. Touch screen aspect. In the lower middle is the touch screen switch icon of the air conditioner switch. In the upper middle is the disk icon that controls the temperature. And display the current temperature of the air conditioner. Drag the dots on the disk. You can set the air conditioner temperature. The upper left, right, corner displays the current battery level of the remote control. Click the fan icon to adjust the wind speed. There are automatic, fixed wind, high wind, medium wind, and low wind gears. Click the M icon to switch modes. There are automatic, heating, cooling and air supply modes. Voice aspect. Say the wake word to the remote to control its functions. AiPi Remote Infrared Remote Control Factory Firmware. Made infrared adaptation for Media air conditioner. It can be pressed by key, touchscreen and offline voice control air conditioner. At present, the distance of infrared control is about 5 meters. Let's take a look now. How does it control the air conditioner? Turn on the air conditioner first.
小安，小安，
我在。
温度升高。
温度已升高。
小安，小安，
有什么可以帮到你？
温度降低。
温度已降低。
小安，小安，
你说，
关闭空调。
空调已关闭。
The above is the entire content of this video. Thanks for watching, see you next time.